This is a short video on this camera. It's a Chinese knockoff. I bought it probably a couple of years ago. Got a tiny little screen on it. That's what actuates it to take the pictures of movies. That turns it off and on. You got your menu changing stuff here. Micro SD card and a USB connection. There's not a whole lot to it. It's got a tiny little battery in it. Rechargeable, of course. But it's got a high-pitched squeal all the time. And see, it's on. Oh, a whole heck of a lot to it. Oh, it's looking at my floor. Okay. But either way, I just thought I'd make this just for the fun of it. For something to do. Because it's been raining for the last 4 or 5 days. And it's just nasty outside. So, I'm not going to call this a review. We're just going to call it a stupid video on a stupid little camera. But hey, it is 1080p. I'm not too sure about that. You'll know better when you see the video. Oh, and the flickering that you're going to see on the video, that's from LED lights. Okay, bye. Okay, we're going to have some fun with the Go Pro Knockoff. Or at least we're going to try. I've already sanded all this down here. And I've had to redo this up here. So, I guess we might as well get to it, huh? I can barely make out that I'm in frame. We're going to wet sand this stuff because, well, it just works better that way. Hello, Braveheart. And the cat came in and the cat left. And the cat came back in. Oh, that's still a little rough right there. This is just glazing compound, so not real critical. And it's not real thick either. Do more by the feel. Than by anything else. And that brings us down to the last one. Hey, is this going to make a great video or what? With wet sand because it keeps the paper from gumming up. Oh yeah, that came out nice. Okay, time to get noisy. Well, since it's been raining all week. Oops! You fell down, went boom! And you're still recording! Oops, I think I got you upside down. Sorry. But as I was saying, since it's been raining all week, even though I've got a dryer right there, and I've got my line run way up there so you can't see on the light, and then it comes down to that, I'm still getting a lot of moisture. And I've drained my tank. Whoop. And all that, but it doesn't seem to make any difference. So when you got that much moisture in the air, some of it's going to make it past the dryer. Let's see how much water we got. Oh, we got a little bit there. I just drained that 2 days ago. My goodness. Hey, let's shut up here. And let's call this good. See what that light does? Voila! The lines are gone. Yeah. Too bad this thing doesn't have a tripod mount.